Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by the Spanish Town Hospital and we're going to give you an update on the construction of the new 6-story building out here. Now the government is spending billions of dollars to upgrade the hospitals in Jamaica. And this is one of the larger investments they're making in the Spanish Town Hospital. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what's happening out here. The redevelopment of Spanish Town Hospital marks a transformative milestone in Jamaica's healthcare infrastructure. Located in the heart of St. Catherine, Spanish Town Hospital has long served as a vital Type B facility within the public health system. However, as the population has grown and healthcare needs have evolved, the hospital's outdated facilities have become inadequate. In response, the Jamaican government, with support from international partners, has embarked on a historic modernization project that promises to revolutionize healthcare delivery in the region. The redevelopment project, which officially broke ground in early 2024, represents one of the largest public health infrastructure undertakings in Jamaica's recent history. Valued at approximately Jamaican 5.5 billion or US 35 million, the project is being financed through a combination of sources, including a US $50 million loan from the Inter-American Development Bank, a $10.2 million grant from the European Union, and government allocations. The project aims to transform the hospital into a modern 6-story, 600-bed facility, expanding its current 430-bed capacity and significantly upgrading its diagnostic and specialist care capabilities. The new hospital is designed to be a state-of-the-art medical center that can meet the growing and diverse healthcare needs of St. Catherine and surrounding parishes. Construction has been progressing steadily. By mid-2025, the foundation and the ground floor slabs were completed, and preparations are underway for vertical construction. So in conclusion, the construction of the new Spanish Town Hospital is not simply about erecting a building, it's about investing in lives. It signals a commitment to delivering world-class healthcare to all Jamaicans and bridging long-standing gaps in public health services. Once completed, expected by early 2027, this modern facility will stand as a beacon of progress, resilience, and the enduring importance of healthcare as a public good. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. We will keep you guys updated on this development. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.